Good morning, students. We are going to start here this NCERT math in this math magic book. We have completed this 4 chapter. Then today we are going to study here this 5th one chapter, pattern. Fifth chapter in your NCERT math book, this pattern. See this pattern. Here Binny and Ginny were going home. See this picture. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way they saw some people making the pavement. The tiles used were of the different colors and designs. This pavement, by using these tiles used, this were of the different types of these colors and designs. This is what they saw. They saw the here the pattern, here some design is there, here different. Again this design first one is same here. This second one design also same here. Again this first one is also same here. Means pattern is there, same pattern is there. On reaching home they saw their mother's sari. See this sari and hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors. It also had a nice design with different colors, but same designs. Here one dot, again here one, here this type of this leaves, dot, two leaves, here also dot, two leaves, dot, two hills, dot, hill. All these are the same types of this pattern. In the evening they were playing in a park. When they were playing in a park, they saw these iron grills on the boundary wall in a playground, in a park there. In boundary wall they saw these grills. See these iron grills. Here first see this pattern like as this same. All these are the same like these patterns. Looking at these grills, Binny said, "These same grills make a different pattern in our windows at home." See here in windows this different pattern. Here see this pattern is here, this pattern is here. We saw many such patterns around us on tiles, clothes and jewelries. Bholu has eaten a part of the shells of Binny's mother. This Bholu, rabbit named this Bholu. Bholu has eaten a part of this sari. Look at this picture and help this Binny in matching which piece is of the same pattern. Binny eaten a part of this shawl of Binny's mother. Then this shawl, and here given this pattern, which pattern is here, then you complete this pattern. See here which pattern eaten this Bhonu shawls of this fourth one, correct. Here see this, here 1 2 3 4 type of this shapes. This also 4 here also this type of this shape. There this fourth one is here. This picture is the piece of this same pattern of matching this sari. Next one, see. Mother wants to make a pattern on a gate using this pattern. See these pictures. Can you guess which of these cannot be formed like this? See this shape. This mother wants to make on a gate this type of this pattern. Here pattern below, here above, again below, above. See this here right side, left side, again left side, again right side. See this, but it is a same as like a pattern. Fill up the blank boxes to complete this pattern. Here also you complete this pattern. See here, first one here, this color and this color also same, here also same, here also same. Then here you see which color here, then you here same colors. Then second pattern you see here, second and fourth pattern is also same. Here half color is same, here also same, here also same. Then you give here half color is given here dark green, then you give this here this color. Then this like as a second, and you give this color, draw here same type of pattern and give this color. Here also fifth one, see this same as it is first one pattern and you color it. Then leafy pattern, see here. Next one is leafy pattern. Using this one leaf we can make these different patterns. See these 5 leafy patterns. 5 leafy patterns. Here leaf. See this the leaf above. Here downside of this apex. Here again above. Here downside again above. Then same here. Here above. Then this apex of this leaf is this right side. Again above, right side. Again above. Then here this first leaf is apex this downside, here again above, here down, above, down, above. Then next one, see one leaf is here right side and here left side, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then here also see this leaf apex is here below, this leaf apex also below, here above, here below. See all these are the looking as the same pattern. Now you also make these same patterns with arrows in your notebook. You draw these arrows of this in your notebook of the same pattern. Here arrow is given. Suppose you draw first arrow here, 2 arrow below. Again same. 1 arrow, 2 arrow below. 1 arrow here up and 2 arrow below. Again 1 arrow below. See here. 1 arrow up here, 2 arrow down. 1 arrow up, 2 arrow down. 1 arrow up, 2 arrow down. 1 arrow up. Second one you see the same pattern. See here, only one arrow here, here up, down, up, down, up, down. Like as this same pattern, here pattern is same. You draw this any one pattern. Suppose in this pattern here 2 up, 2 arrow down, 2 arrow up, again 2 arrow down, 2 arrow up, in this type same pattern. Then look at the patterns and fill up the boxes. See this pattern, you see this pattern and fill up this here some empty boxes given, you fill this. Now you also make these patterns using the different shapes and also them to your friends. See here this, I will send this photo, then you draw all these shapes in your notebook and you complete this pattern. See first one here, circle, then square, circle, square. Again you draw here, circle, square, circle, square. Then arrow this. Arrow only upside arrow here also. You draw same type of this arrow upside. Then see here, this one circle here, again 2 circle in one line, here again 3 circle, again 1 after again how many circles here, 2. You draw here 2 circle in this line, here again 3 circles, again 1, again 2, in this type of this pattern. Then next one, see here, this 2 arrow upside, again 2 arrow downside, 2 arrow upside, 2 arrow downside, again up, down, up, down. Then Next one, see here, triangle. This triangle below here, again 2 circles. Then above triangle 2 circles. Then same pattern you draw here. Here this is 2 circle, after this below triangle 2 circles. Then again above triangle 2 circles. Then next one, see this, here rectangle type of this shape. Then here making here these equal parts and give different colors. Again you draw here rectangle, this rectangle first one here. Then again see this, again this one draw, again this one draw. Then here semicircle, this type of this, here below semicircle, then semicircle below semicircle. In this type of pattern you draw. In homework you complete this. I will send this photo. Then you draw these shapes in your notebook and you complete this pattern. Okay. Then this number patterns tomorrow.